Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick video. Today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys what this little asterisk means if you're opening up Notepad and you start typing something. So I've noticed this in the newer versions of Windows and it kind of surprised me a little bit at first. So basically you have this little asterisk sign up here. All that means is that you've typed something into the Notepad that hasn't been saved yet. So if we just simply do something like save as and then we save it to the desktop, you notice the asterisk goes away. But if we start typing something else, you see that we still have that asterisk then comes back. So again, you just have to save and then that asterisk goes away. So pretty straightforward, just thought I'd make a quick video about it. And as always, thanks for watching and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.